Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Manha English Channel. I'm Manha. We are very happy to have you here with us today.
And I'm Umar. Today's lesson is very useful for beginners.
Yes, today we will talk about feelings in simple English.
This topic helps you speak about your emotions in everyday life.
And that makes your English more natural and personal. Let us start with a simple question. How are you today?
I am happy today.
Very nice. Why are you happy?
I am happy because I have good news.
That is nice. Can you say another feeling?
Yes, I am also excited.
Excellent. What are you excited about?
I am excited because I have a new English lesson.
Very good. Now let us talk about tired.
I am tired today.
Why are you tired?
I am tired because I have worked hard.
That is a natural answer.
Thank you. I feel better when I say my feelings in English.
Good. Let us learn more feelings.
Yes, I want to learn simple feeling words.
You can say, I am sad.
I am sad when I miss my friends.
Great. You can also say, I am worried.
I am worried about my test.
Excellent. Another useful feeling is angry.
I am angry when something goes wrong.
Good. And what about scared?
I am scared when I hear a loud sound.
Very nice. Now let us use calm.
I am calm when I sit quietly.
Great. What do you feel when you study English?
I feel happy and confident.
That is wonderful. Why do you feel confident?
I feel confident because I practice every day.
Excellent. Practice helps a lot.
Yes, I have learned that step by step.
Let us talk about feelings in the morning.
In the morning, I feel sleepy.
Very good. What do you do then?
I drink water and wash my face.
Nice. How do you feel after that?
I feel fresh and ready.
Wonderful. What about after lunch?
After lunch, I feel relaxed.
Good. And in the evening?
In the evening, I feel tired but peaceful.
Very natural answer.
I like using simple English like this.
Let us practice some short questions.
Yes,
How do you feel now?
I feel happy
Why?
because I am learning English.
How do you feel when you make a mistake?
I feel a little nervous.
What do you do then?
I try again and I keep speaking.
Excellent. That is the right attitude.
Yes, I want to improve.
Now let us practice with a friend.
Yes, that will help me speak more naturally.
How are you feeling today?
I am feeling good and calm.
That is nice.
I am happy because I have finished my work.
Very good. What if you feel stressed?
I take a deep breath and rest for a while.
Excellent. That is a healthy habit.
Yes, it helps me feel better.
Let us practice one more time.
Yes, please.
Tell me 3 feelings.
I am happy, I am tired, and I am calm.
Very good. Now make one full sentence.
I am happy because I have studied English and I feel calm now.
Good. Let us learn the word bored.
I feel bored when I have nothing to do.
Very good. What do you do when you feel bored?
I read a book or listen to music.
Excellent. That is a good way to change your mood.
Yes, it helps me feel better.
Another useful feeling word is lonely.
I feel lonely when I am alone for too long.
That is a natural feeling.
I talk to my family or my friends when I feel lonely.
Very good. Talking to people can help.
Yes, it makes me feel happy again.
Let us talk about surprised.
I feel surprised when I get unexpected news.
Excellent. Can you make a sentence?
I was surprised when my friend visited me.
Very good. That sounds natural.
I like using feeling words in sentences.
Good. Let us learn another feeling word. Proud.
I feel proud when I do good work.
Wonderful. Why do you feel proud today?
I feel proud because I have practiced English.
Excellent. That is a strong answer.
Thank you. I feel happy about my progress.
Very good. What about nervous?
I feel nervous before a test.
Good. What do you do then?
I take a deep breath and try to stay calm.
Excellent. That is a very helpful habit.
Yes, it helps me feel better.
Let us practice some short answers.
Yes,
How do you feel in the morning?
I feel sleepy in the morning.
How do you feel after breakfast?
I feel fresh after breakfast.
How do you feel when you finish your work?
I feel relaxed when I finish my work.
Very good. Those are clear answers.
I feel more confident now.
Let us make one full conversation.
Yes, please.
How are you feeling today?
I am feeling peaceful and happy
That is great. Why?
because I have finished my work and I have some free time.
Excellent. What will you do now?
I will rest and enjoy my evening.
I will rest and listen to some music. What do you do when you feel confused?
I ask a question and try to learn more.
Excellent. That is a smart habit.
Yes, it helps me feel better.
Another useful feeling word is peaceful.
I feel peaceful when I sit quietly at home.
Wonderful. Can you make a sentence?
I feel peaceful when I listen to soft music.
Very nice. That sounds natural.
I like this kind of practice.
Let us talk about thankful.
I feel thankful when people help me.
Excellent. Why do you feel thankful today?
I feel thankful because my family supports me.
That is a very nice answer.
Thank you. I enjoy speaking about my feelings.
Good. Let us learn another word, excited.
I feel excited when I start something new.
Very good. What are you excited about now?
I am excited to improve my English.
Excellent. That is a strong sentence.
I feel happy when I talk about my goals.
Now, let us practice with short answers.
Yes, I am ready.
How do you feel before a trip?
I feel excited before a trip.
How do you feel after a long day?
I feel tired after a long day.
How do you feel when someone is kind to you?
I feel thankful when someone is kind to me.
Great. Those are useful answers.
I feel more confident now.
Let us make a small conversation.
Yes, please.
How are you feeling today?
I am feeling a little tired, but also calm.
Why do you feel calm?
I feel calm because I have finished my work.
That is nice. What will you do now?
I will rest and listen to some English music.
Good. Let us learn the word disappointed.
I feel disappointed when something does not go well.
Very good. Can you make a sentence?
I feel disappointed when I do not do my best.
Excellent. That is a clear answer.
I want to learn more useful feeling words.
Another important word is nervous.
I feel nervous before speaking in front of people.
Very good. What do you do when you feel nervous?
I take a deep breath and try to stay calm.
Excellent. That is a very helpful habit.
Yes, it makes me feel better.
Let us learn another word. Relaxed.
I feel relaxed when I sit quietly after work.
Wonderful. Can you make a full sentence?
I feel relaxed when I listen to music at home.
Very good. That sounds natural.
I like using simple feeling sentences.
Good. Let us talk about the word confident.
I feel confident when I practice every day.
Excellent. Why do you feel confident?
I feel confident because I have improved little by little.
Very nice. That is a strong answer.
Thank you. I feel happy when I see my progress.
Let us practice short questions and answers.
Yes, I am ready.
How do you feel after studying English?
I feel happy after studying English.
How do you feel when you are very busy?
I feel tired when I am very busy.
How do you feel when you talk to your family?
I feel peaceful when I talk to my family.
Excellent. Those are very natural answers.
I feel more confident now.
I feel stressed when I have too much work.
Very good. What do you do when you feel stressed?
I take a short break and try to relax.
Excellent. That is a healthy habit.
Yes, it helps me feel better.
Another useful feeling word is comfortable.
I feel comfortable when I am at home.
Very good. Can you make a sentence?
I feel comfortable when I sit and read a book.
Excellent. That sounds natural.
I like using simple feeling sentences.
Good. Let us talk about the word hopeful.
I feel hopeful when I see progress.
Wonderful. Why do you feel hopeful today?
I feel hopeful because I am improving my English.
Very nice. That is a strong answer.
Thank you. I feel happy when I think about my progress.
Let us learn the word frustrated.
I feel frustrated when I cannot find the right words.
That is a very natural feeling.
Yes, but I try again and keep speaking.
Excellent. That is the right attitude.
I want to stay calm when I make mistakes.
Good. Let us practice some short questions and answers.
Yes, I am ready.
How do you feel before speaking English?
I feel nervous before speaking English.
How do you feel after practice?
I feel more confident after practice.
How do you feel when you rest?
I feel relaxed when I rest.
Very good. Those are useful answers.
I feel better when I practice every day.
Let us make a small conversation.
Yes, please.
How are you feeling today?
I am feeling stressed because I have many tasks.
What will you do?
I will take a break and listen to music.
That sounds like a good idea.
Yes, I feel more relaxed when I do that.
Good. Let us learn the word tired.
I feel tired after a long day.
Very good. What do you do when you feel tired?
I go home, rest, and drink some water.
Excellent. That is a simple and natural answer.
I feel better after some rest.
Another useful feeling word is calm.
I feel calm when I sit quietly and listen to soft music.
Very good. Can you make a sentence with calm?
I feel calm when I finish my work early.
Excellent. That sounds very natural.
I like using simple feeling words in sentences.
Good. Let us talk about the word angry.
I feel angry when something unfair happens.
Very good. What do you do when you feel angry?
I take a deep breath and try to stay quiet.
Excellent. That is a healthy response.
Yes, I want to control my emotions better.
Another useful word is happy.
I feel happy when I learn something new.
Wonderful. Why do you feel happy today?
I feel happy because I have practiced English.
Very nice. That is a strong answer.
Thank you. I feel more confident when I speak in English.
Let us practice some short questions.
Yes, I am ready.
How do you feel after breakfast?
I feel fresh after breakfast.
How do you feel when you work too much?
I feel tired when I work too much.
How do you feel when you rest at home?
I feel calm when I rest at home.
Excellent. Those are very useful answers.
I feel more comfortable now.
Let us do one more conversation.
Yes,
How are you feeling today?
I am feeling calm and happy
That is great. Why?
because I have finished my work
and I have time to relax. Excellent. What will you do now? I will drink tea and listen to music.
Thank you so much for listening to Dr. Manha English Channel.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like this video.
Share it with your friends who want to learn English.
And do not forget to subscribe to Dr. Manha English Channel.
We create simple English podcasts to help you speak confidently.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and never stop improving your English.
We will meet you again in the next episode with another interesting English podcast.
Until then, keep listening, keep speaking.
Goodbye and take care.